Hi everyone, here we have an interesting math problem. We have two trains which are approaching each other at the speed of 10 kilometers per hour. So both of them are at 10 kilometers per hour, and the distance between them is 500 kilometers. Now, as soon as the train starts, there is a bird which flies. The bird flies at 30 kilometer per hour. So bird flies from the first train and goes to the second train, and then as soon as it touches the second train, it goes back at the same speed and goes back to the first train, and then it goes back to the second train and come back to the first train. So it keep going back and forth until the two trains will meet. They will meet at center point, right? So what will be the distance traveled by bird?